Hello friends and student, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for you. In this video, we are going to find minor and cofactor of an element of a determinant. This is a determinant part 2 video. It is belongs to the determinant channel. So, we shall study what is meant by minor and cofactor of an element. Now, minor of an element. We take element Aij is a second order determinant. Second order determinant obtained by eliminating ith row and jth column of a third order determinant A. So, minor is an element, minor of an element Aij is a second order determinant obtained. How it is obtained? By eliminating ith row and jth column of the third order determinant A and denoted by M, capital M Ij, that is the minor of the element Aij. Now, what happen if the determinant is second order? It is just the single element. If A is of order 2, then minor of an element is a single element. No need to find the determinant. Example, suppose if you take determinant D, A, B, C, D. For example, we have taken determinant, it is a second order determinant. Now, we find the minor of each element. There are 4 elements. First is minor of A is equal to, it is first row first column. So, we delete first row first column, it is remain only D. So, it is single element D. It is denoted by M11 is equal to D. Similarly, minor of element B, that is first row second column, eliminating first row second column we get C. So, this is equal to M12 is equal to C. Next, minor of C is equal to, C belongs to the second column first row, that is second row and column number first. So, this is equal to, by eliminating this we get B. So, it is B. Next, minor of D is equal to, D belongs to the second column second row. So, this is M second row second column is equal to, by eliminating this we get A. So, these are the minors of the A. Minors of A is D, minors of B is C, minors of C is equal to B, and minors of D is equal to A. It is a second order determinant, it is just single number. But if it is third order, then we have to find its determinant, second order determinant. Now, with help of the example, I illustrate this how to find minor of an element of second order matrix, sorry, third order matrix. Cofactor is of an element Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of Aij. This is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j, minor of Aij denoted by m I j. So, in this way we can find cofactor. Taking actual example, we can find the minor and cofactor of each element of the matrix of order third. Find the minor and cofactor of the element of the determinant. Determinant is given 2 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 1 5 7 2. So, solution. The given determinant D is equal to 2 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 1 5 7 2. It corresponds to, we write the positions of the elements A11, A12, A13, that is first row, A21, A22, A23, this is second row, A31, A32, A33. It is third row. For reference, we take this determinant so that we can position the element in which rows and in which column it belongs. Therefore, we start finding first minor of every element. We go by row wise. So, from left to right. First we start with 2 minus 1 3, so on 1 2 minus 1 etc. The order is also important. So, first minor of 2, it is equal to, it is a determinant, by deleting rows and column in which the element 2 belongs, means here first row the 2 is belongs to first row and first column. By deleting these rows and this column, we get a determinant of order 2, which is 2 minus 1 7 2, and so its value is 2 into 2 4, minus become plus 7, it is equal to minus become plus. So, it is becomes 7 plus 4 is 11. This is minor of 2. It is denoted by M11, and therefore, I write this is M11 is equal to 11. Similarly, cofactor, it is denoted by C11, it is equal to minus 1 raised to ith row jth column, that is first row first column, into minor is 11, it is equal to, here minus 1, index of minus 1 is 2, so it is positive, so it is become 11. Therefore, next, now we take second element, that is 1 2, it is equal to, that is minor of minus 1, it is equal to, now deleting first row second column, we get the determinant 1 minus 1 5 2. So, this is equal to 1 into 2 2, minus become plus 5. So, this is equal to 7, and cofactor 1 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to, it is index of minus 1 is 1 plus 2 and its minor is 7. So, this is equal to minus 1 raised to 3, that is negative. So, minus 7. Similarly, minor of the element 3, which is at the position 1 3, is equal to, now deleting the row and column in which the element 3 lies, that is determinant 1 2 5 7. So, this is equal to 1 into 7 7 minus 5 into 2 10, it is equal to minus 3. So, this is the minor. Now, cofactor of this element 3 is C13, which is equal to minus 1 raised to is 1 plus 3 into minus 3. It is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into minus 3. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus, and here it is minus 3. Now, next is minor of first element of the second row 2 1 is equal to, eliminating the row and column in which the element 1 belongs. Here this is the row and first column and second row. So, determinant we take minus 1 3 and 7 2 is equal to minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 7 into 2 21. So, it is equal to minus 23. This is the minor. Now, cofactor is, it is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into minus 23. So, it is minus 1 into minus 23 is equal to 23. Next, the element 2, which is belongs to second row second column. So, 2 2 by deleting second row and second column we get 2 3 5 2, the second order determinant 2 3 5 2, which is equal to 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 5 15. So, it is minus 11. Cofactor of this element, that is C22, is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into its minor minus 11. So, it is plus, and answer is minus 11. M next element M23, that is second row third column. Now, deleting the second row and third column we get 2 minus 1 and 5 7. Determinant 2 minus 1 5 7 is equal to 2 into 1 14 minus minus plus 5 into 1 5, it is equal to 19. Therefore, cofactor of this element is C23, it is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into 19 minus 1 raised to 5 into 19. So, minus 1 raised to 5 is negative. So, minus 19. So, this is the cofactor. Now, first element of the third row, which is 5, Therefore, M31 is equal to determinant obtained by eliminating third row and first column, which is equal to minus 1 3 2 minus 1. minus 1 3 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, minus 2 into 3 6, it is minus 5. Therefore, now cofactor is 3 1, C31 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into minus 5 minor is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into minus 5. Minus 1 raised to 4 is positive and multiply by minus 5. So, it is minus 5. Now, minor of the element at third row and second column. It is a determinant by eliminating third row and second column. Third row and second column 2 3 1 minus 1 2 3 that is eliminating 3 2, eliminating third row and second column 2 3 1 minus 1 is equal 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 3 3. So, it is minus 5. Now, cofactor of at 2 3 3 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into minus 5. It is minus 1 raised to 5 into minus 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 means minus, the index is odd. So, it is positive, it is negative, and minus multiplied by minus 5, it is plus 5. So, this is 5. Now, last element M33 at third row third column, it is element 2. So, deleting this row and this column, we get 2 minus 1 1 2, determinant 2 minus 1 1 2, it is equal to 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into minus 1, middle sign is minus become plus 1. So, it is 5. Now, cofactor at third row third column is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 minor is 5 is equal to minus 1 raised to 6 into 5. Minus 1 raised to 6 is become positive because 6 is even number. So, it is 5. So, in this way we have calculated the minor and cofactor of the every element of the given determinant of order 3. So, in this way we can find the minor and the cofactor of each element. While calculating this minor and cofactor, patient must be a sound patient should be here. Otherwise, there is possibility of slipping figure or any sign also. So, thanking you watching for my videos.